Hi everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Knockwurst. Alright, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself, and then I'll switch over to Sharpie. And I'm going to use a straight edge on this one, a ruler, because I like the straightness of the stick there, and I want to keep it that way, so I'm going to be using it. So just letting you know, if you want to get one, go for it. Let's see. Just trying to capture the hot dog, or sorry, the worst feel, and make sure that I got it looking just right. I'm going to erase some of these lines now because I just started going crazy with the lines. Okay, I think that looks good. I'm going to add some of the mustard. Let's see. And like that. Okay. Does that look about right? No, that doesn't look right. It needs to be higher. Like that. Okay. Alright, I think I'm ready to switch over. Let me look at this. Ooh, no. That's way off. It needs to be over here. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the handle down here like that. And that ought to make me happy. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to Sharpie now. And I may use this Sharpie pen, but I may not. We'll see. I'm going to definitely use the Sharpie fine point. So let's go from here. So let's start with the straight edge, since we know we're going to do it. And I'm just going to draw, I'm going to eyeball where I think it's going to be, and then just draw a line. Okay, now I'm going to build off of that. So that means I'm just going to come over here and kind of like find it and move down just a little bit just to find that thickness and try to keep it parallel or the same thickness all the way, and then just draw another line. Yeah, I can live with that. So now the trick is I got to try to draw that about that same thickness, but we'll get there in a second. So I'm going to draw this handle, come down here, round it off a little. Boom, we're done with that. I like that it has like another level to it, something like this. So now, yeah, I am going to use this fine point just to give it a different look. See how that looks a little bit better with thick versus thin? That's a very nice inking technique. So here's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do this with some technique. I'm going to draw this whole thing, and then I'm going to follow the mustard. You'll see what I'm talking about here. So let's draw the shape first, then we'll come back to the mustard. So I'm going to come back around here like this, follow my sketch all the way up like this, and then for the mustard I'm going to go around it, in, around it, and again I'm following my sketch. That's what I'm doing here. Like that. So now that I did that, I'm going to come back here with the other Sharpie that's a little bit thinner and just kind of follow it. So see how it's got this different look to it now? So the outer edge is super thick, but this isn't. So it's just a fun little cool inking technique you can do just to make it stand out, you know, make it look like your own. Alright, see, I love that. That looks really good to me. So now I just got to draw the prongs and just kind of eyeball it here. So I'm going to start here for my sketch, bring it in, and go ahead and draw across, and go up like that, and do the same thing about the same width, and do like that, and that'll work. I guessed at that, and that's close enough. So that, I'm going to take care of the rest with color, so that is Knockwurst. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.